Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. I have got a new favorite skirt in my closet and I want to tell you all about it. So the things that I love about this skirt and what makes it my favorite is definitely the material that it's made out of. It's very durable. The stitching is very good. I love this elastic waist. I can wear it on my fat days or my thin days, and it makes me feel beautiful on either one of those occasions. I love how soft the material is, and I love the colors. I've worn this and washed it several times, and it shows no signs of any kind of abuse. And let me tell you, I'm a little bit tough on my clothes. So what I really want to tell you about is how versatile this skirt is. So you can dress it up with a pair of tights and heels, a beautiful sweater, or a shirt that you can tuck in or leave tucked out. It depends on the occasion. I also love that I can just put on a pair of Converse with this and I'm ready to go to date night or go to the beach. I have a cruise coming up and this is going to be my go-to skirt. I love the length of this skirt. I am 5'3" and none of your business pounds, and this skirt fits me perfect. I got it in an extra large, which is typically what I wear. So I am just ready to go with this skirt, and I know that it's going to fit all of your needs also. And that's my point of view.